Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geetika Arya. So I'm back with another video, and this video, you can guess it guys, it's a Diwali decoration video. Obviously Diwali is around the corner and it has become a ritual actually that every year I come with a Diwali decoration video. So in this video I'm going to decorate my house for Diwali, and I'll try to mention all the product links in the description box below. Also guys, those who don't know, I have launched my website Geetika Interiors, as I'm an interior designer and I have other people in my team like architects. So if you are interested, you can reach out us on our website. The website link will be mentioned on the screen as well as in the description box below. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Now without further ado, let's start the video.
So I'm starting this decor by making a DIY because it's quite a long time since I made something on my own. So I'm trying to make some jharokas, and for that I purchased the front and the back pieces from Amazon, but I want to create a gap between them, so I am creating a box, and for that I'm cutting this cardboard. I just marked a line, and then through the help of the cutter I cut the board, and then I pasted it over here. The gum which I'm using, you can easily get it for the craft purposes. So I'm using here this Asian paint heat gun. It's amazing to dry paints, gum. Basically I want to dry my gum here so that I can soon start the painting process because I don't have much time. And it quickly just dried up all the gum and everything. Then I just painted it. So I'm using here blue color paint to paint the front. This Asian heat gun is perfect for stripping old paint, drying new coats of paint filter, varnish applications, remelts, adhesives, removing stickers. So here I am using it to dry my paint again, because again I can easily do a second coat without waiting for it to dry, and see how quickly it dried by just this heat gun. So this Asian Paint True Care heat gun is amazing for your craft purposes. Even you can strip off your extra paint, or you can just DIY any old piece with the help of it. So the link is given in the description box below. After painting, I am using these glass mirrors over here. I had very limited stuff for DIYs because now I don't do it anymore. So I'm just using these mirrors to create a beautiful pattern, and that's it, I think. I don't want to do anything else. I wanted to use clay here, but again the clay I had, it dried. It was not in the condition to use. So here I completed my DIY. Now the decor process starts. So first of all, in the dining area, I'm using these jharokas. These are of cardboard, and I got this set from Amazon and I really like them. On the wall you just have to paste them. So they came with this clay, the small clay pieces, but it was not useful in case of this wall because it has already a brick wallpaper. So here I am using small nails to fix them, because tape, clay, everything I tried but nothing was working. Ultimately we used small nails to keep them in their position, and these jharokas looked so pretty, so beautiful. They are perfect for any festival, and you just have to create a pattern and they will give a complete look to any wall. I really like them. Then I just removed some of the items which are not going with the festival vibe, and on the sides I'm using these gorgeous golden tea light holders, candle stands you can say, and this is a recent purchase for this Diwali and I really like them. These are very pretty. If you want, you can just add the real tea lights in them, or you can add the electric ones, the battery operated tea lights. On this area I removed the plates, and then I added these mats. These are actually mats. These are perfect for any festive vibe, and I wanted to create something different, so I'm trying new things. So I'm just using these pink garlands over here to create a pattern which looks good. So ultimately I was able to achieve it. I tried a lot. It was not possible to show all of that in the video. So basically even decor is everything, like trying and testing new things. in the living room area on this wall we have only 2 nails, and I don't want to add any more nails in the wall, so I'm trying to do the decor with the nails I'm already having. So again I'm using these beautiful garlands, and then these candlelight holders. I already had them from last Diwali, so I just added them. Then instead of the mattress I placed a cart over here, and over that I adding these beautiful cushions. So I'm adding these festive cushion covers all over in the drawing room area, and on the coffee table then I place this beautiful mat, and on the corners I am placing these lotus candlelight holders. Then in the dining area I am using this beautiful urli. It's a big urli actually, and in that I added water, and now adding some petals, some rose petals and some other flowers petals, and then I'm adding just floating candles. And I think urlis are must for any Diwali or any festival occasion. On this area I'm adding these tables, and then over that I am adding my DIY jarhokas and some beautiful festive perfect candle holders. Then I added some candles, and let's get to the final reveal, guys.
So that was all for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Happy Diwali to each and every one of you. May this Diwali brings lots of happiness and prosperity in your life. I'll keep coming with more of such videos. Till then, bye.